Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nokubonga and you are officially tuned in to Life with Nokubonga mkhabela. Hope you stay, you subscribe and become part of the family. So today I'm back again with another DIY video. Like, as somebody who has a lot of skin problem, I'm always on a scout for something new that might work, in which I hope might work for my skin. So I did try finding another one. So for this DIY, we're gonna need brown sugar, an egg, tea bag of your choice, lastly my fave, which is magnolia tissue. So now we're gonna mix the tea bag with the sugar. A little bit of the oil. And in the egg, we're gonna need the egg yolk. Stir everything in a bowl and make sure the consistency is not too thick to avoid hurting yourself with the sugar. So now the consistency looks fine for me. So the application part.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world.
My face. Look, I'm gonna wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off the mixture on my face, then come back and tell you how it feels.
And you'll be her favorite man.
So 15 minutes later, this is how my face looks. So let me show you it. The mixture is a little bit still taky around here, but like almost dry around here. So I'm not gonna be letting these become a peel off mask. So this takiness is enough for me to rise it off. But then if you want to make it be more of a mask, you can still continue at time waiting until it completely dries out, then peel it off. But then for me, I'm just gonna go on and rise it with water, then come back with the rest of my commentary. So 15 minutes after leaving it on my face and rinsing it off, this is how my face look. So in terms of feeling clean, my face does feel like really clean, but then I have a feeling that it did nothing for my whiteheads, like simply nothing. But then probably continuous use will give change, in which I will also come back and do an update of how the continuous use was like. But then my face feels completely clean, fresh and super refreshing actually. So yeah, that's or I can actually give my comments on using these mixtures. So hope you did enjoy the video. Do remember to subscribe and leave your comments on the comment section below.